withdrawing money from Questrade in a marketing account is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can withdraw money from Questrade marketing account. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm at the Google now here. I'm just going to search for Questrade. So let me just search for Questrade and I'll go to this website which should be questrade. Simply you have to click on this. You have to log in. Now after logging in your account, you will see a page which should say summary or homepage, something like that. Now here you simply have to click on this account and you have to click. Now after it will take you to a new page. Now in this page you simply have to click on this request. Now after clicking on this request, up menu shall pop up. Now if you click on your menu popped up, here you have to click on this withdraw funds. Withdraw funds, you will easily be able to withdraw your funds right here. Currently, as you guys can see, my account is not set up, so it does not allow me to withdraw funds, but be able to do it by entering the details where you want to transfer your funds. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.